Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see how to predict prices with machine learning models from Google Sheets. In this demo, we are going to see how to use a machine learning model from a Google Sheet by using the BigQuery. So this is I have given the GitHub code, copy the code from GitHub, and I have given the sample data also. So today we are going to see these things only. Let me open a sheet.new, copy this and open a new web browser, open a browser and enter it here, sheet.new. So blank spreadsheet will be open. Okay, so then now what we are going to do means we are going to open this NASDAQ historical prices download in Google search. Just find this. Okay, so then we need to click this historical data, open in a new tab or open in a new tab. So here you just scroll down here, most popular historical data. I'm going to click this Facebook, whatever you can select friends. So download the data. We are going to download. Now I'm downloading this data and I'm opening, already I have opened this spreadsheet, right? We need to import this. Just click import, upload and select a file from our device. So just select the downloaded file historical data and we are importing now. So import data, just click import data and it has been imported successfully. Now then I'm going to insert chart. So I am going to insert chart. Okay, so then what we are going to insert, I have inserted the chart, just closing this chart editor. And now next step we need to go and we are clicking this github and we are going to copy this code, 405 lines it has. So we are going to copy this code for running this ML and go to the script editor tools. Under the tools it has script editor, just enter the script editor, click this one. Now it has been opened this app script. Just remove this function, just delete this and we are going to replace with this code. So we need to copy this code. So we need to copy this code, entire code. It has 405 lines and just click this raw, then only we can copy it easily. So let me copy it, this code I am trying to copy. Okay, now we need to copy this code and replace with this function. Yes, here we need to copy this, I mean paste it and save project. Click save project. It is saving now, the project is saving now. The next step is we need to select the services. Just click plus symbol, add a service. Here we need to select the BigQuery API and here we need to identify it as BigQuery and click add here. Now the service is adding. Now you can see this BigQuery it came. And next step we need to click this deploy and test deployments. Just click test deployments and now we need to click done. So we have successfully deployed this project. And next step we need to go to the spreadsheet and here we need to select, so we need to refresh this page. So BQML it will come automatically. So whatever we have added the script, it will be coming here. So just refresh it again. So BQML it will come in top, like a tools, add-ons, help. So it will be coming there only. So we need to wait for it friends. So let me yeah, it came now, you can see it friends. Now what we are going to do means just click BQML, then just click configure, just select project here. Now just click authorize required script attached. Just click authorize and your mail id will be coming and just select your mail id. And just for me it is coming like that advanced. I'm selecting and I'm clicking is this untitled project and we need to click this allow. So we are giving the permissions to this mail id, that's it. So now what I'm going to do is same, I'm going to BQML configure, just click project and here we need to update the project id from our console. This is my current project id. I am copying this we are copying the project id from the GCP console. Just go to the spreadsheet and enter the project id here, just click OK and now it has been done. Now we are going to train the model. So how to do that? So just select these two column and just go to the BQML, just click train. Let me train the model. So it is running the script. We are getting the error, exception invalid argument time zone should be of type string. I'm clicking this dismiss. Now let me check it again. Okay, just select this column, date column. Okay, just select this column A and go to the file, and here just select the spreadsheet settings. Just go to spreadsheet settings. Here if you are seeing here, time zone is India standard time, but here it is showing US. So I am going to change it from India, I mean India only I'm going to put, and just click save and reload. Now yes, now done it. Now I'm going to train this model. Now again I'm doing this train. Now definitely it will work. Running the script, it will take some time. It will take only 1 minute only, so let's wait for it. We are training the model. Next we are going to forecast it. Next we are going to forecast the model. So now it has been done, the script has been run successfully. And now what we are going to do is we are going to select these two columns, empty cells, and forecast this. Now running the script, then definitely we'll get the output. Yeah, see friends, we got the forecast output. So you can see this is format issue only. Just format this, then it came $380. Okay, just I'm going to delete this again, and I'm going to run it again. Just remove it, and I'm going to select few more cells, and let me try to forecast this, whether it is we are getting the output. Yeah, we got the output successfully. We have done the lab, we have done the demo. Friends, you can also try. If you are facing any issues, then you can paste in the command. I will try to resolve, I will try to replay your comments. Okay, go to the home page. Here go to the home page, and here if you are seeing, and we need to check it in the BigQuery. Go to the BigQuery dataset. So just click the dataset, and here we need to select the project. This is our project ID, and here sheets forecasted has been created, and I'm going to click this sheets forecast training, and you can see that data. So here we have the schema, and here we have the details, and here we have the preview. So here if you can see preview, we can see this, the date and time and the dollar amount it is coming. Okay, sounds great friends. We have done the lab, we have done the demo. I'm going to delete this data set. So delete, just put the delete and click delete. So we have successfully deleted the sheets forecast data set. It has been done right now, and I'm going to check in home page also. Just click resources. The project has no resources. Fine. Then okay, I'm sorry, I have clicked cloud storage wrongly. Okay, so then we need to select this home page. Yeah, we have successfully deleted the data set. And next what I'm going to do means I'm going to, yes, I will just refresh this page. Definitely if you are clicking the BQML, if you are trained the model, definitely it will not work friends, because we have deleted that BigQuery dataset, right? So definitely it will not work. Okay, so now we have done the lab. I have given the sample data here. You can go through it. I mean, you can, if you are not downloading from the internet, Google search, then you can use this data. Okay, you can, I have given the sample data, same data only I have given. You can try it from your end friends. Thanks a lot friends. Have a great day. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.